Mi Mix 4 is finally here. After 3 years of waiting, it's finally on my hands. Ladies and gentlemen, Sammy here. As promised, again, today I went to the Xiaomi offline store to give you guys a first look at the Mi Mix 4. As I already released the 4 specs of the Mi Mix 4 in yesterday's video, so in this one I'm not going to cover every specs about it. You can check out my previous video if you're interested. What we will focus more is my first impression of the Mix 4, also camera testing, and that's it. Because we really don't have so much time at the offline store. But please rest assured, tomorrow I will do a really detailed video about the Mix 4. I will compare the camera with the Mi 11 Ultra, I will test the Antutu benchmark, overall performance, sound, etc. What you care, I will test. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because without you guys' support, this video is meaningless. Without further ado, let's get started. Open the box. The first thing we see is the cardboard with Chinese text on it. It reads, "There is no perfection in the world, but there's always someone pursuing the perfection." Alright, Xiaomi is saying there on the panel camera, which now they finally give you a perfect full screen. Under the cardboard is the Mix 4 foam. This one is in green shadow color. They have other colors as well. It has 225 grams weight, but to be honest, I don't think it's a burden if you hold it every day, especially considering the impeccable unibody ceramic design. It feels like you are holding a jet. We'll take a closer look later. For other accessories, we got a transparent case and some paperwork, and also the 120-watt fast charger. It allows you to fully charge the 4500 mAh battery in just 15 minutes in boost mode and 21 minutes in default. Crazy! And last is the 1 meter Type-C cable. And this time, seems Xiaomi don't offer the eco-friendly packaging. Now to the foam. The big breakthrough here is hidden beneath the curved 6.67-inch AMOLED display, where we find a 20-megapixel selfie camera, leaving the screen unblemished by callouts. The workaround required a whole new type of flexible display and redesigned circuit array to maximize the transparency and internet reaching the selfie cam sensor. The technology behind it is super complex, and we are not going to talk about here in details. What I really care is it visible? I changed some wallpapers and also viewed from other angles. Seems it's hitting really well, but sure, I will check more in my next video. As time is tight, we took several selfie photos, but the thing is we didn't get the original photo samples from the Mix 4, so I cannot tell you all the details. But just from zooming in or out the photo on Mix 4 phone, seems all good. Good clarity, not obvious blurry, and good white balance. For sure, I will test more photos in different scenarios later and post it on my other social media platform. Make sure to follow if you are interested to know more about them. The rear camera setup is equally impressive with a 1/1.33-inch 108-megapixel HMX main sensor with OIS. It's joined by an optically stabilized 8-megapixel periscope module with 5 times optical zoom and 120mm equivalent focal length. A 30-megapixel ultra-wide snapper with a freeform lens and a reported 1% age distortion completes the trio. For this, Xiaomi went with the latest Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset at the ham paired with 8 and 12 gigs RAM and 128 or 512 gigs storage. 50-watt wireless charging, which takes 28 minutes for the full recharge in boost mode. The stereo speakers are tuned by Harman Kardon, and for the pricing and availability are listed on the screen. You can also find the link in the description from my sponsor, Buy-in. So, what do you think of the Mix 4? What do you want to know more about it? Let me know and I will test it out in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.